Hello everyone, my name is Sam. Welcome to this channel. In this video, we'll be discussing the free tier plan of AWS and then move ahead to create a free account where our cloud journey will begin. Please be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment and share. See you in the video. Head over to Google and then type AWS free tier. You click on the first link that should have, which says that free cloud computing services AWS. Okay, let's scroll down to see the details of this free tier that AWS is providing us. With the compute services, EC2 has been allocated 750 hours per month. So what that means is that for the next 12 months of us opening an account, we are going to enjoy 750 hours per month. So 750 hours per month translates into 31 days. Hopefully that's a whole month. So the next one, X3, means that you are giving 5 gig of S3 services. In terms of relational databases, we are giving 750 hours. These services include MySQL, Postgres, MariaDB, and SQL Server. Okay. You have 25 gig of DynamoDB. Now, there's one thing I would want to draw your attention to. Some of them have 12 months free, others have always free, and then others too have free trial. What that means is that if you look at the 12 months free, what it means is that for the next 12 months, you'll be giving 75 hours free per month. 750 hours free per month for the next 12 months. Okay. Now for always free, what always free means is that even after the 12 months, you will still enjoy 25 gig worth of storage for DynamoDB. You will be charged anything above the 25 gig. So what it means is that if you don't go above the 25 gig, you will still enjoy it for free, even though your free plan has expired. That is what it means. Now, when you look at the free trial means that you are given 2 months to use this particular service. So after 2 months, it expires. If it expires and if you want to use that service, then you have to pay for it. So this is the structure, the free tier plan of AWS. There's one thing I need to emphasize. With the 750 hours per month for EC2, by experience, what I've realized is that if you spin up one EC2 instance, okay, you can be able to use it for 750 hours within a month. But if you spin up 2 EC2 instances, it's going to share or divide the 750 hours between the 2 instances. If you spin up 3 instances, it is going to share the 750 hours for the 3 instances. That means that it will not be up to a month. So this is what I realized when I was using the free tier system for AWS. Now let's head up and then start to create a free account. So you click on create a free account. It's asking for the root user email address. You are going to create an email address. No, we're going to put in an email address. We're going to create an account for our YouTube channel. Okay, so let's start with it. Cloud Tech with some at. Then we click on verify email address. Okay, so I'm going to go through my email. 702. Let me be sure of it. Okay, so verify. Okay, it's gone through. So we are not going to provide our root password. So I'm going to provide password for it. Okay, saying that there's no lowercase. Let me. Okay, so continue. How do you plan to use AWS for business, for personal? So we are going to use this account for a personal project. You click on personal. Who should we contact about this account? So I'm going to provide my full name over there. Phone number. Let me scroll through and then check for Ghana. Five, three, five. I'm in Ghana. Address. Okay, if it's not mandatory, I'm gonna skip. Oh, okay, so address. City, I'm in Kumasi. Ashanti. 233. Okay, you click on continue. Now, here you need to provide a debit or credit card details. Now, one thing I should let you know is that this does not mean this does not mean if you put in your card details, this is where AWS is going to take as in your money from during payment of your free trial. If you go above any of the free trial limits, okay, or if your free trial is over, this is not the card details where AWS will be sending billing or will be taking billing from this card. Okay, it's just to confirm that you are actually a person who is signing up, not just a chatbot or a robot sitting somewhere trying to sign up. Okay, so it says that we will not charge you for any usage below this. We may temporarily hold $1, so they would send a $1 charge on the account just to verify that okay, it's actually a proper working card a person is behind it and not just a bot. Okay, and as such, they may send you back the $1. They may reverse it back to you. So I'm going to provide my card details. However, I'll be off screen so that when we come back, we will continue from there. Okay, welcome back. After putting in our card details, the next step is to provide or you confirm your identity. So I'm gonna put in my phone number here again. So you put in your okay. Okay, so my code just arrived. Okay, so here there are basically 3 support plans. So it says that basic support free of charge. Okay, so if you want to be supported by the AWS team, you can either go for $29 per month or you can go for business support. But in this case, we are going to choose the free or basic support. Click on that and then you click on complete sign up. Okay, so after waiting for a little while, there's a congratulatory message for signing up. So you click on go to AWS management console. Then we provide in our email address. Okay, so on the dashboard, it's telling me this is a newly created account, but because I have been using AWS and then my browser still keeps the cache, it's telling me that I have recently visited or used these services, which is quite true. So on yours, it might be blank because you may not have gone to use any of these services. Okay, so that ends today's tutorial. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, share. Hopefully the next video we will start using or building or spinning up EC2 instance. All right, see you in the next video.